Hello, here I want to show you a simple way of making a voiceover on your video. Right here I already have my video on my timeline, so now I want to show you how you can add voice to your video. Okay, first make sure the volume on your computer is at 0 level. Okay, let's write out now. So you go to edit, preference, audio hardware, sequence, click on that, and then you ASIO settings, click on that and pick. I'm using the microphone on my computer, so I click that microphone, blah blah blah. Yes. Okay, then you go to default, click on default setting, and then okay, then okay again. Okay, now go to Windows, pick audio mixer sequence 1. Good. Now we want to use audio 1 track alone. That's all we're gonna work with. So that's audio 1 track there. Click on R, enable record at R, and then click on that red circular thing, click on that button, and then click on play. And now start recording your voice. Hello, hi, blah, 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 blah. Record as much, anything you want to say now is being recorded. Go on, and you can stop at your own time. So keep on recording. I'm still recording. Now I stop. Okay, so now I want to check and see how my recording fared. Okay, so I will go to the volume of my computer, increase it so I could hear what I recorded. Then I go to my timeline, I click on play. I start from the beginning of the timeline, of course, and I click on play. There you are. You can hear what you have recorded. I hope you enjoyed that. Simple, straightforward. Thank you for watching. Bye.